Welcome students. This is the continuation of optics chapter. In the previous class we have learnt refraction of light, then laws of refraction, that is first law of refraction and second law of refraction. In this class we are going to learn about lenses and its different types. What is a lens? A lens is an optically transparent medium bounded by two spherical surfaces or one plane and one spherical surface. So each lens has two surfaces. So it is bounded by two spherical surfaces or one plane surface and one spherical surface. So here see, for example, this is convex lens and this is concave lens. So this convex lens is bounded by two spherical, one spherical surface and this is another spherical surface. So this convex lens is bounded by two spherical surfaces. So likewise in concave, this concave also bounded by two spherical surfaces. So what is a lens? A lens is an optically transparent medium because it allows light to pass through it. So it is a transparent medium bounded by two spherical surfaces or one plane and one spherical surface. So next, types of lenses. Lens is basically classified into two types. They are convex lens and concave lens. So these two types of lenses are convex and concave. So next, what is convex lens? So this convex lens is also known as biconvex lens. Okay. So it is a lens bounded by two spherical surfaces such that it is thicker at the center than at the edges. So that means the middle portion of the lens is thicker than at the edges. The edges of this lens are thinner. Middle center of the lens is thicker. So then next, a beam of light passing through it. So beam of light, group of light rays are passing through it. So this convex lens is converged all the light rays to a point. So a convex lens is also called as converging lens. So why it is called as converging lens? Because it converged all the light rays that passes through it. So once again I repeat, what is a convex lens? It is a lens bounded by two spherical surfaces and it is thicker at the center than at the edges. When a beam of light passing through it, this convex lens is converged all the light rays to a point. So it is called as converging lens. So see, when a beam of light passing through it is converged to a point. So light rays are converged to a particular point. So this convex lens is also called as converging lens. Then what is the other name of convex lens? It is also known as biconvex lens because it is bounded by two spherical surfaces. So next, what is concave lens? So it is also known as biconcave lens because it has two spherical surfaces. So concave lens is bounded by two spherical surfaces such that it is thinner at the center than at the edges. So here middle portion of concave lens is thinner than at the edges. So in convex, middle portion of the lens is thicker than at the edges. In concave, middle portion of the lens is thinner than at the edges. So here this concave lens is also known as diverging lens because when a parallel beam of light passing through it, this lens is diverged, all the light rays are spread out. So this concave lens diverged the light rays or spread out the light rays. So a concave lens is also called as diverging lens. So see, when a parallel beam of light passing through it, it is diverged or spread out. So it is called as diverging lens and also known as biconcave lens. So here let us summarize convex and concave. So in convex lens, it is bounded by two spherical surface, so it is also known as biconvex. Then middle of the lens is thicker than at the edges. When a beam of light passes through it, it converges all the light rays to a point, so it is called as converging lens. So next in concave, it is also bounded by two spherical surfaces, so it is called biconcave. It is thinner at the middle than at the edges. When a beam of light passes through it, so it diverges all the light or spread out. So it is known as diverging lens. So next we are going to learn about the other types of lenses. So other types of lenses are Plano convex lens and Plano concave lens. So already we have learnt lens is bounded by two spherical surfaces or one spherical surface and one plane surface. So here in Plano convex lens and Plano concave lens, it is bounded by one plane surface and one spherical surface. See, this is Plano convex. If one of the faces of a biconvex lens is plane, it is known as Plano convex. So here this is the biconvex because both the surfaces are spherical here, so it is called as biconvex. In Plano convex, one face is spherical and one face is plane, so it is known as Plano convex lens. So likewise, Plano concave lens also, if one of the faces of biconcave lens is plane, so here see, so this is spherical and this is plane surface, so it is known as Plano concave lens. So these are the different types of lenses: double convex, Plano convex, convex meniscus, double concave, Plano concave, concave meniscus. So next we are going to learn the image formation of convex and concave lenses. So before getting to this topic, we need to know the important terms of this image formation. First is principal axis. So a line passing through the center of the surface. So here this is the horizontal line passing through the center of the surface of a lens. So this is a convex lens. Center of the lens is called optic center, that is O. So here a line passing through the optic center is called as principal axis. So this line is known as principal axis. It is passing through the optical center. So next one is principal focus. So it is a point where all the light rays are converged or diverged. So this is a point where all the light rays are converged or diverged when it passes through the lenses. So next one is focal length. So here this is the focal length. It is the distance between the principal focus and the optic center. So this is known as focal length. So next we are going to see the important rules for image formation. So first rule, so consider the two lenses, convex and concave. So in the first rule, a ray parallel to principal axis. Here this black line is the principal axis because a line passing through the optical center is called as principal axis. So here consider a ray. This ray is parallel to principal axis, will pass through focus. So this is the point where the light rays converged in convex lens. Here this is the principal focus where the light rays diverged from the principal focus. So when a ray parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus. So in here also, in concave also, a light ray passes through principal axis. A light ray parallel to principal axis will pass through the focus. So this is the first rule. Then second rule, A ray passing through focus. So here the ray is passing through the principal focus will become parallel to principal axis. So after passing through the lens, it become parallel to the principal axis. So likewise in concave also, when a ray passing through the principal focus, so it is passing through the principal focus. So in the concave it is diverging, so that light ray emerged after passing through the lens, it will become parallel to principal axis. So next, rule 3, a ray passing through optical center. So this is the optical center will emerge without any deviation. So here there is no deviation in the path of light. So there is no deviation when a ray passing through the optical center. So these are the 3 important rules for image formation. Students, hope you all understand about the lenses and its different types, and then 3 basic rules for formation of image. Thank you.